Both Mirza Sahab and Manto are a tragic part of damaged Hindustan. Mirza Sahab lived through the decline of Mughal Empire and the British Raj that ruled the Indian subcontinent for 90 years, whereas Manto witnessed and was deeply disturbed and traumatized by the partition violence and was torn between his Indian and Pakistani identities. Both Ghalib and Manto lamented about their beloved cities they left behind. Both Ghalib and Manto faced significant financial struggles throughout their lives. Both Ghalib and Manto struggled with alcoholism that also reflected in their writing and also became a huge cause for losing their money. Both Ghalib and Manto critiqued societal norms, politics, and religious hypocrisy through their work. Both Ghalib and Manto frequently visited the red light districts and wrote about the lives and struggles of courtesans and prostitutes. These similitudes make me assume whether Ghalib was old Manto or Manto was the new Ghalib.